Hello everybody! So I am again taking you around in a beautiful place called Interlaken. This is like the most touristic place of Switzerland. If you're coming from any tours and travel guys, or you're taking a trip with them, they are making sure that they always bring you to Interlaken. You can do a lot of shopping here. You can look around the mountains, and you can also enjoy some view of paragliders. They're actually not paragliders, but looks like it. They are called hang gliders. It's a kind of a sport which is, I think, played in Switzerland. You can see one behind me. There is a hang glider. I think he's trying to land. Let me see if I can show you a bit of a closer look. Oh yeah, I think he's still enjoying the sunset. You can see sunset behind me. There is a hotel called Chalet Jungfrau, and I can see that the sun is like really setting down right now. You can see mountains. It's springtime, so it's April, and you can see the snow has started to melt, but the view is still amazing. You have a lot of places over here to sit. There are these kind of benches. You can see one right behind me. A lot of benches over here where you can just walk. You don't have to pay for it. It's all free for public. And then you have this beautiful open big wide green space which you can use to walk around. You have some beautiful Gothic churches. You can spot them behind me. They are also very touristy, but I took a tour inside one of those churches and it's really very beautiful. It's springtime, so like I mentioned that it's April. You can see a fountain behind me. Let me actually take you closer to the fountain, and you should be able to see. This is again another one of those places where a Bollywood movie was shot. If you are a Shah Rukh and Kajol fan, you would have seen this fountain in that movie, where Shah Rukh comes and he tries to play a prank on Kajol. So that's this beautiful place, and let me show you around some more in my next video.